Welcome to Eating Well with Chrystal. 2020 is a rough year. We can't do a lot of things we used to take for granted. And the weather is brutal. Winter comes way earlier than usual in my city. The cold weather also increases my appetite. I start to crave rich, warm, and sweet food for more energy and mood lifting to endure the cold. Do you like the cold weather? Are you wondering what you can eat to satisfy your craving but not to put your health and weight on the line? In today's video, I brought you a recipe full of sweet, but the healthy kind. The sweet potato pancakes filled with the homemade red bean paste. The natural sweet flavor from the sweet potatoes and red bean paste, plus slightly chewy texture from sticky rice flour. I hope it can make you happy and combat the cold in a sweeter way. Now let's get into it. The first step is to mash the sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are nutrient-dense root vegetables that are high in fiber and antioxidants, can protect your body from free radical damage and promote a healthy gut and brain. Wash it clean and peel off the skin, then cut into thin slices. Do you know there are two major types of sweet potatoes growing in the US? One type has lighter skin and a paler flesh, called sweet potatoes. The other has copper skin and orange flesh, called the yam. What are the differences between these two? To be honest, not that much. The lighter colored sweet potatoes were the first to be produced in the US, so when the darker sweet potatoes show up, the yam name was picked up in disguise simply to differentiate from the first sweet potatoes for marketing purpose. My experience, the sweet potatoes are a little waxy after cooking, while the so-called yam sweet potatoes are more creamy and fluffy. Put the sliced sweet potato in a plate. Bring it to steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check on the sweet potatoes when it becomes super easy to break down. Turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit. Then transfer it into a bowl and start to mash it until it is well blended and no visible chunks. Or you can use a blender to save some time. The next step is to make the dough. Transfer the mashed sweet potato in a big bowl. Start to add sticky rice flour in little by little to have better control the firmness of the dough. You can also add sugar for more sweetness. Stir the mix. It is mushy and sticky at the beginning. Keep stirring and adding the sticky rice flour. Rub the mix with your hands. It will become less sticky with more added flour. At the end, the bowl and your hands both should look clean and no dry flour left. The dough should look and feel very smooth. The third step is to make the pancake. Roll the dough into a long, round, and thick stick. Evenly cut it into small pieces. Take one piece and roll it into a ball. Then press it into a flat, round shape. The roller is helpful here. Then fill a spoon of red bean paste to the center of the pancake. Wrap it up in your palm. Seal the top completely and gently press down to its original pancake shape. Brush some water on the pancakes. Sprinkle the white and black sesame seeds mix on. Gently press the sesame seeds into the pancakes with the roller. Flip the pancakes to the other side. And they're ready for frying. Bring the heat on low. Brush some cooking oil in the pan. Put the pancakes in. Cover the lid and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. When you see the color changes into this golden brown, flip to the other side. Let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. It is fully cooked when pressed onto the pancakes and it bounces back immediately. Turn off the heat and take the pancakes out to a plate. The mild sweet taste from the sweet potatoes, the chewy gooey texture from the sticky rice flour, and the extra delicate smooth feeling from red bean paste. Eat on its own or pair with your favorite afternoon tea for snacks. Winter does not feel that harsh and cold anymore. The leftover can be saved in the fridge and consumed in the following 3 to 4 days. Heat it for 30 seconds in the microwave before eating will maintain the same texture as freshly cooked. The last, let me share how to make the red bean paste real quick now. As part of the legume family, red beans are rich in fibers, protein, antioxidant, and eaten regularly can balance your sugar level, lower your chance of type 2 diabetes, improve your bowel movement, and good for your weight loss. I use 1 pound of red beans to make multiple use of the bean paste. Wash the red beans clean. If you're using rice cooker or instant pot, the water level should be around 1 inch above the beans. I use slow cooker, which I can add water when needed, but it did take about 4 hours to cook it through. No matter what you use, cook until the skin of the beans are broken and the flesh becomes super soft. Mash it with blender for a smoother texture. The next step is to fry the mashed beans to remove the extra water and make it easier to store. Cooking pan with low heat. I add 2 spoons of brown sugar for enhanced sweetness. Add the bean paste in. Stir while adding 1/3 cup of cooking oil in for smoother texture. Keep stirring until the sugar, oil, and the paste evenly blended and there is no liquid running around. You can feel the paste become sticky and drier. Turn off the heat and cool it down. Scoop it into sealable containers and put in the fridge for future use. Freeze it for longer period. This is how to make the sweet potato pancakes and red bean paste fillings. I hope you enjoy this sweet, healthy recipes. Use it for a snack, dessert, or whenever you need a mood lift. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more healthy eating videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time soon. Bye!